Sometimes it can happen that the avatar does not pronounce certain words correctly due to its synthetic language. It helps to write words the way they are pronounced, or, in the case of vowels, to write several identical letters in a row to change the intonation. So if words sound strange to you, just try different letter combinations. If you would like your English-speaking avatar to pronounce a word from another language correctly, there is a simple code you can use to switch the pronunciation for one or several words. For example, you can hear the difference in the pronunciation of the German company name Caramel. Without the code it sounds like this: Caramel developed the VuppetMaster. With the code it sounds like this: Caramel developed the VuppetMaster. For the code you will need angle brackets, lang for language, and the abbreviation of the language, which is DE for German. You begin the code by entering left angle brackets, lang, blank, xml, lang, equals sign, quotation marks, lowercase d, lowercase e, minus, capital D, capital E, quotation marks, right angle brackets, and then you type the word or words you would like to be pronounced in that language. To end the code you type left angle brackets, /lang, right angle brackets. French is abbreviated lowercase f, lowercase r, minus, capital F, capital R, and Spanish is abbreviated lowercase e, lowercase s, minus, capital E, capital S. In English you can differentiate between American and British English. American English is abbreviated lowercase e, lowercase n, minus, capital U, capital S, and British English is abbreviated lowercase g, lowercase b, minus, capital G, capital B. You can find the language abbreviations for the other languages in the menu with the voices for the avatars. Do you have further questions about the extensive functions of the VuppetMaster created by Caramel? Check out our other tutorials or drop me a line with your questions and suggestions.